Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will dive into the functions of evaluation, different types of assessments, and the innovative concept of computer-based testing. Let's get started. Evaluation serves several important functions in the educational process, and it goes beyond simply measuring academic performance. Let's explore some of these key functions. First and foremost, evaluation provides valuable feedback to both learners and educators. It allows learners to gauge their progress, identify areas of strength and weakness, and make necessary improvements. For educators, feedback helps them adjust their instructional strategies, provide better guidance, and motivate learners towards achieving their goals. Evaluation also serves as a source of motivation. Recognizing and rewarding students' achievements through assessment outcomes can inspire them to strive for further excellence and boost their confidence in their abilities. Another vital function of evaluation is to identify learning difficulties and provide remediation. Through diagnostic evaluation, conducted during instruction, educators can identify individual students' specific challenges and provide targeted support to address those difficulties, ensuring that every student receives the necessary assistance to succeed. Evaluation plays a crucial role in facilitating planning and curriculum revision. By analyzing assessment results, educators can gain insights into the effectiveness of their instructional approaches and make informed decisions about curriculum adjustments, ensuring that it aligns with students' needs and learning outcomes. Moreover, evaluation contributes to educational decision-making. It helps in making informed decisions regarding student placement, educational program effectiveness, and instructional interventions. By collecting and analyzing assessment data, educators can make evidence-based choices that benefit students and improve overall educational practices. Progress reports are an essential outcome of evaluation, providing a comprehensive overview of students' achievements and areas for improvement. These reports serve as valuable communication tools between educators, students, and parents, fostering a collaborative approach to education. Interinstitutional comparison is another function of evaluation, enabling educators and institutions to benchmark their performance against other schools or educational systems. This comparison can lead to sharing best practices, promoting healthy competition, and driving continuous improvement. Now, let's explore different types of assessments. Placement evaluation, conducted before instruction, helps determine students' entry behavior and their knowledge and skills upon entering an institution. This assessment sets the foundation for personalized instruction and support. Diagnostic evaluation, conducted during instruction, aims to identify specific learning difficulties and challenges faced by individual students. It helps educators tailor their teaching strategies and interventions to meet students' unique needs. Formative evaluation, also conducted during instruction, provides ongoing feedback to students and educators. It aids in tracking progress, reinforcing learning, and ensuring that students stay on the right track towards achieving their learning goals. Summative evaluation, conducted after instruction, serves as a final certification of learners' achievements. It provides a comprehensive assessment of what students have learned and achieved throughout the instructional period. In the realm of scholastic assessment, cognitive abilities are assessed through various evaluation methods. This form of assessment measures students' intellectual capabilities, their understanding of concepts, and their ability to apply knowledge. Now, let's explore two different evaluation approaches: criterion-referenced evaluation and norm-referenced evaluation. Criterion-referenced evaluation determines an individual's status with respect to a defined achievement domain. For example, it assesses how well an individual meets specific criteria or standards. Norm-referenced evaluation, on the other hand, compares an individual's performance to the performance of others on the same assessment. It provides a rank or percentile to indicate where an individual stands in relation to their peers. Grading is an integral part of evaluation. There are different grading approaches, such as direct grading and indirect grading. Direct grading assesses students using qualitative terms and assigns grades accordingly, while indirect grading involves converting marks into grades. Absolute grading assigns grades based on predetermined criteria and standards, regardless of the performance of other students. Relative grading, also known as grading on the curve, determines grades based on the distribution of scores among students. Lastly, let's explore the exciting world of computer-based testing, CBT. CBT offers innovative assessment methods and tools that utilize technology to enhance the evaluation process. Linear tests in CBT follow a fixed set of questions without considering each individual's performance level. On the other hand, adaptive tests adapt to each individual's performance by selecting a range of questions based on their abilities, providing a more tailored assessment experience. Today, we explored the functions of evaluation, the different types of assessments, and the concept of computer-based testing. Assessment and evaluation are vital components of education, allowing us to understand learners' progress, make informed decisions, and continuously improve our teaching practices. If you found this video informative, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more educational content. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to sharing more knowledge with you in future videos.